What is up, everyone? It's April 15th, 2025. Posting this video a little bit late. My neighbors have been doing construction and there's been a lot of noise in the background. So if you hear something, I apologize. It's going to be a quick one today. Where are we in the markets? Daily chart, 15 minute. We're going sideways. Yesterday's range was really small. It's hard to be a breakout trader with a small range. A lot of breakouts were reversing around the EMA, and then bears got a few legs lower, and then we went more sideways again. Big up, big down. Today it looks like this is becoming a pullback for the bears, but we're still in a trend range because we had a big bar here. So that shows the bulls are rallying, and bulls don't rally in a bear trend. Bar 1, gap up, bull bar closing on its midpoint right on the EMA. Bar 2, big bull bar, but it has a tail. So bears were trying to short the high of bar 1. There's a leg right here. Bar 3, 4, and 5. Bull bars all bad closes. They have tails above them, so bulls are not buying highs. They could be taking profits, and bears could be shorting the previous swing high from yesterday, right around here. Bar 6, big bear bar closing on its low. This could be the first reversal down, and then bulls actually scalped that and made profit. It went one tick higher on bar 9. But also look at the tail on bar 4. That shows us we have a trend line break. So what am I counting? Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. That's a fractal leg right there, but it's still a trend line break, so that lets us know we're in the second leg. Bar 6 also breaks the trend line, so we could be in that third leg. And then bar 9 rallies above the high of bar 5, so they met the second. This pen is not working today. They met the second leg objective, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. In trading ranges, it's very common to get second leg traps. There's a lot of drilling going on. I hope you guys can't hear it. I tried to mess with the sound settings, so apologize for that. It's gonna be a quick one anyways. Bar 10, big bear bar closing on its low. We have now a big up, big down. Bar 11, bad follow through for the bears. It's a bull bar that rallied, sold off, and then closed on its midpoint. The gap up is now closed. Bar 12, inside bar, best to get out of shorts and wait, especially with this rally. That's dangerous to sit through if you're short. If you short 11, you're not gonna be comfortable with that rally. Bar 14, big bull bar closing on its high, shot to get a second leg down, second leg up, get a reversal. 14, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Now the market's going very sideways. It's extremely hard to be a breakout trader in this kind of, you buy 15 and you're going to sit through a very deep pullback. 16 sold off below 15's low, so that's not good for the bulls. That's already showing you that we're not in a bull trend, and 15 is showing you we're not in a bear trend. Well, even 13 is showing you we're not in a bear trend. Going sideways, market sells off, then it rallies, then we have a bull bar, now we have bear, bull, two small bull bars closing below their midpoints, but they are bullish. They have more tails. So that's trading range bar 24, closing on their low, and then we get a rally on 25. So it's very hard to trade today. You guys didn't do good, and I didn't take any trades. If you guys days like this would crush me. I am trading a little bit different with limit orders, so I would have been all right today. But if you're a market order trader or trading with stops, I can see how this is painful. And the market goes from expansion to contraction. So we've been in an expansion for a while. So now the market's starting to contract. Volatility is dying down. I want to see how much the range is. 65 points. Yeah, so we're starting to shrink. Get a 3-bar rally here. Trying to see a second leg, and it does with 36. It doesn't go past the high, so it's a weak second leg. To double tops. The bulls that short bought here and then buy more here. They're going to get out at their original price for a small scalp on their second order. And then that's going to cause, when they sell out of their longs, that's going to cause the market to sell off. Bears get 3 bars down now. Trading range, we get delayed second leg. So from here to here, be very delayed second leg. It's a triangle. We have more than 5 pushes. So that's breakout mode. 39, bull bar. At the moment, this could look like a higher low for the bulls. So delayed second leg. But then we see that fall through 40. We finally get a gap here with 41 and 42. First reversal, 43. And then that gets its own second leg. Excuse me. The second leg down is also shot to get its own second leg. So this leg down here, 46, 47, 48. Shot to get second leg down, and it does here. Deep pullback, testing the low of, 44 with 51's high. Sells off 53, and then we get another rally. Well, it's a fractal rally, but this is the pullback. I'd be cautious taking this short because now we're definitely in the third leg. Leg one, pull back to two, pull back to three. The market cycles tells us that when we are in the third leg, trading range behavior. So if you're shorting lows, you could get trapped. There's enough momentum on 53 to see another leg down, and that happens here. That's the fourth leg into support, and the market rallies into the EMA and then goes sideways. All right, guys, today was a quick one. I hope you guys can't hear all this hammering going on. Hope you guys have a good one. If you learned something, share the show, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for your time.